Hello dear learners, I, Bhupendra Dorkar, welcomes all of you for online value-added course that is Medicinal Plants Traditional Uses and Career Opportunities. This course is organized by Department of Botany, Sri Shivaji Science College, Amravati. We start module number 2 and today's plant is Moringa oleifera. The Moringa oleifera is commonly known as drumstick due to slender, long, triangular seed pods. In Marathi, we call it as Shevga. It is native to sub-Himalayan area of India, Pakistan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan. It is also grown in tropical area. The whole plant is used as a medicinal purpose. Moringa is a multi-purpose tropical tree. It is mainly used for food and has numerous industrial, medicinal and agricultural uses, also including animal feeding. Moringa is nutritious, fast growing and drought tolerant. This traditional plant was rediscovered in 1990 and its cultivation has since become increasingly popular in Asia and Africa, where it is among the most economically valuable crop. The seeds of the Moringa and the leaves used as a vegetable. For traditional herbal medicine, it is also used for water purification. It has been dubbed the miracle tree or tree of the life. This is the classification of Moringa, belongs to family Moringaceae. Now, we will study the morphology of Moringa oleifera. Moringa is a small to medium evergreen or deciduous tree. This is the habit of Moringa. The height of about 10 to 12 meter. It has spreading open crown, typically umbrella shape. The roots are deep. The bark is corky and grey. The branches are fragile and dropping with feathery foliage. The young twigs and shoots are covered in short, dense hairs, purplish or greenish white in color. The leaves of the Moringa are alternate, tripinnately compound, with each pinnate bearing 4 to 6 pairs of leaflet that are dark green, elliptical or ovate and 1 to 2 cm in length. The inflorescence of Moringa is spreading panicles bearing many fragrant flowers. The flowers are pentamerous, zygomorphic, white to cream in color. The fruit is typically 3-walled capsule, 10 to 60 cm in length, often referred as pod. In Marathi, that is called as sheng, and looking like drumstick, hence the name drumstick tree. The fruit is green when young and turns brown at maturity. The mature fruit splits open along each angle to expose these seeds. The capsule contains 15 to 20 rounded oily seeds. Now, the Moringa contains many healthful compounds such as vitamin A, vitamin B which contains thiamine, vitamin B2 which contains riboflavin, vitamin B3 which contains niacin, vitamin B6 which contains folate and ascorbic acid, that is vitamin C, calcium, potassium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc. It is also extremely low in fat and contains no harmful cholesterol. The Moringa extract contains properties that help to prevent cancer in developing condition. The Moringa appears to protect the liver against damage caused by anti-tubercular drugs and can quicken its repair process. Moringa extract might help in the treatment of some stomach disorder such as constipation, gastritis and ulcerative colitis. The antibiotic and antibacterial properties of Moringa may be helpful in inhibit the growth of various pathogens, and its high vitamin B content helps with digestion. Due to antibacterial and antifungal, antimicrobial properties, the Moringa seeds, Moringa extract might combat infections caused by Salmonella and Rhizopus and E. coli, etc. The Moringa also contains calcium, phosphorus, which helps to keep the bones healthy and strong. Along with its anti-inflammatory properties, moringa extract help to treat conditions such as arthritis and also heal the damages to the bone. Moringa is helpful in treating depression, anxiety and fatigue. The powerful antioxidant found in moringa extract helps to prevent a cardiac damage and has been also shown to maintain the healthy heart. Moringa helps to reduce the amount of glucose in the blood as well as sugar and proteins in the urine. This improves the hemoglobin level and overall protein contents in those tests. Moringa helps to reduce the severity of some asthma attacks and protect against bronchial constrictions. It has also been shown to assist with the better lung function and breathing overall. People may be less likely to develop stones in the kidney, bladder or uterus if they ingest moringa extract. Moringa contains high level of antioxidants that might add toxicity level in the kidneys. Extract of moringa has been shown to help wounds close as well as reduce the appearance of scars. Moringa seed oil is beneficial for protecting hair against free radicals and keep it clean and healthy. Moringa also contains protein, which means it is helpful in protecting skin cells from damage. It is also contain hydrating and detoxifying elements which also boost the skin and hair. It can be useful in curing skin infection and sores. Moringa contains eyesight improving properties due to its high antioxidant levels. Moringa helps a person's body to absorb more iron, therefore increasing their red blood cells count. The plant extract is very helpful in treating and preventing anemia and sickle cell diseases. The seed cake remain after oil extraction is used as a fertilizer and also to purify well water and to remove salt from seawater. Moringa is an excellent source of many vitamins and minerals. So, my dear students, moringa plant have many radical properties. I am fully assured that by knowing all this about moringa, you will understand how much it is beneficial. So, thank you very much. Stay at home and be safe.